Hello again, welcome to another video from Castle Kingdom. Sometimes, for whatever reason, you get damage to one of your blowers. Now this is just such a case. I've been driving back from a job with the blower on the van and I had to brake suddenly and I heard a big crash bang wallop in the back of the van, and lo and behold, this is what I'm left with. A damaged cone on the blower. As far as I can see, the rest of it seems to be all right. I haven't tried it yet, but obviously the cone's beyond repair. It's pretty much knackered. So what we're going to do is take it off and replace it with a new one, which luckily enough I've got. Now these are Gibbons blowers, and they do sell the spares, which is what one of these is. It's my last one, so I'll have to order some more. Or maybe the good people from Gibbons will donate some. Thanks, Gibbons. Right, anyway, what we'll do, we'll get our little toolkit out. I think it's a 10mm piece you use on this. Yes, it is. It's quite an easy repair. It's only 4 screws, so they come straight off. And that's it, 4 screws, 1 off. Now, it's quite damaged, as you can see, pretty beyond repair. Sometimes you can, if it was just a little piece out of the edge there, you could still use it, but it's completely split. So that's for the bin. And this one, the new one, should go straight back on and replace it. Right, now they can only go one way, these. They're designed with the holes in them, but they only go one way, which is that way, as far as I remember. Yes, it is. The screws line up. If you flip it around the other way, the screws won't line up, so it can only go one way. And that's it. So you just pop them straight off. It's always good to have a few of these spare, like I say, these cones, because these things do happen. And if you only had one of them in the van with you, you'd be in trouble. You wouldn't be able to hire it. You'd have to go back to wherever it was and get a new one. But I always carry a few spares. Just hand tight will do on these. Test it. It should be alright. I mean, it didn't. I wasn't going too fast, just had to brake quick suddenly. The lights changed. So we can quickly plug it in here. All good. That's it. So we'll wrap my lead around it. And it's all good to go for the next job. Now I must remember to order some more blower cones rather, from the Gibbons website online, so I'm not short of them. And that's it. A nice easy repair that anyone can do. Always just make sure you've got a few inch spares, because it can leave you short. If you damage one and you only had one blower on the van, on the way to the job, you would be in trouble. You'd have to go back and bring another one out. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.